All right, so I'm in Rose's department store now, trying to see what they have, and they have 75% off clearance, and I'm gonna have to do a voiceover because this music is way too loud. Let me just show you a little bit. Check this out. See how they have just the two body washes for 20 bucks? You see what I'm saying? And they have this for 10 bucks and this for 10 bucks. That's pretty good. It's almost like what I got in Walmart for $1.49. It's $3.99 in here. So some things are cheaper and some things are not, especially when it comes to these cups. Now, this is my color, but it's $3.99. Nope, won't be getting that here. But I just wanted to see what they had to offer. And they have some pretty cute cups. But yeah, nah, we're not going to be able to do that for these prices when we know we can get them for a lot cheaper. Who wants to pay $10, $9.99 for that? That's not happening. And this doesn't even have a price on it, so you already know. 24 ounces. Yeah, that's all right. Let's see, here's another one. Does this have a price on it? Oh, $5. It's not too bad, but yeah, we know we can get it cheaper than that. All right, let's look at something else. Look, that's cute. Go Panthers. I think I saw $7.99 for 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Plastic cups. They're not official Panthers things, but they're cute for the Panthers fan. Didn't I say $4.99? $7.99. I haven't had this in a long time. I'm going to drink one. Pretty much sugary, but hey, one won't hurt. All right, so it's time to leave. Shut the store down, as always. So I will do like a unboxing when I do get in. See you another time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So I'm back from Roses. I kind of wanted to show y'all really quickly some things that I did pick up. You saw some things in the store, so let's get right into it. Don't forget, if you're not already subscribed, please make sure you like the video. Please subscribe. Please give this a thumbs up. Interact with the video so that this can be circulated so people can see what else there is out there, like-minded people, because I'm going to be using these things for baskets. And so I needed to do this haul so I can start making the baskets. You saw all the things that I have. So let's start with this. I don't have on any of the light, so hopefully the light won't be too bad, but you guys can see this. And this is just the Body Fantasies, so it's going to go with my lavender theme that I have, and it has a few body sprays, so I did get that. And then I did get another one with 3 different body sprays. This is the Lovely scent. And so it did come with these 3 sprays that I'm going to put in a bag. I might break them up. I may and I may not. I'm not certain. So it's going to be, again, a hodgepodge of things. I just take things out of the bag as I get them in no particular order. So then you have this one. And this one is a nice lavender set as well, with some body creams and body sprays and body washes. And then I did get 4 of the champagne. These are body washes, and these are so cute. And you know, it's going to go well with the color scheme, whether or not I do a green, whether I do the lavender, or whether I do the orange and or the champagne one. So I did get 4 of these, and this goes well with the hand soap. This is some fragrance hand soap, and see, so this would go well in a basket with this and a loofah and maybe a bath bomb. I have to design the bags and see, you know, what it is I'm going to do with them. So moving right along, well, this is not a basket. I did need another for my popcorn making. I wanted to get a metal one. So this is a body wash that I can use, and see here again, it goes well with that. So you see what I'm saying? You know, I get things for color scheme, and you know, just put a hand soap and a body wash. This is coconut. I might keep this. I love coconuts. And so that'll go well with that. And then I have another one of the body wash. This is a body wash with coconut oil. I do believe this is, yeah, this is the same as that. I did get 2 of those. So those are going to go well in a basket, as well as this hand soap. This is a strawberry hand soap. I did get 1 of those. What is that? Keep falling on the table. Nevertheless, moving right along, I wanted to show you some other things that I got from Roses while I'm moving quick so that this video won't be too long. You did see me walking around, shopping around. So this is cute. This is going to go well in a basket. Some of these things were really cheap, like less than $1, but I think this was like $1, and so that'll go good in the basket. I did get a few of these because these were $1 in Dollar Tree. They are $1.25, so it's better to get them with it's $1 versus $1.25. Now I did pick this up and I tried them. I'm going to be giving this away. These are not the same Danish style cookies as we know them, or even my taste buds have changed. I don't know if it's supposed to be SG or since I'm older, but I don't like these. So I'll be giving them away. They were listed at $1.25, but it was 75% off, so these were pennies. So I will be giving those away. And then also, I think that was it for Roses. I really didn't get that much out of Roses. I just wanted to mainly get some of these gift sets so that I could see, you know, what it is I can put together. What's in that Roses bag? Here we are. And I did get some mesh ribbon, and so didn't have enough of mesh ribbon. So that's that. And then I got a white one, and this was, I mean, I couldn't get it. I couldn't help but get that. So it was $1.29 minus 70% off. And so I did get this at $1.19. You see, this is fall ribbon, 70% off. This was 70% off. So we're talking about, you know, less than pennies. And this is another bro. I kind of have a fabric ribbon, but this is Harvest. So anything Harvest was, you know, off. I think it was 70 or 75% off. I did get these elixirs, these shiny elixirs. I did get 2 of them. And these are really pretty. If I had the light on, you would be able to see the shimmer in it. But this will go, this is some body mist, and it will go along well with something vanilla or something on the champagne side. I do have some other things, like let's say if I, even though I wouldn't pair this with this, but you know what I mean? You can see where I'm going with that. It would go well with something like that, or it would go well with this. You can pair it with that. And I have the vanilla mist, the vanilla bombs, bath bombs. I did get this hyaluronic acid wipes because I do have something that goes with this that I did get out of Dollar Tree. And so this will go along well with that. And so that's what I got. Let me see. Is there another roses bag in here? Yep, there's something else. I did see this other white bag. And this is nothing. Remember I said I was going to get a tropical fantasy drink? Boom. That's what that was. And remember I said I'm going to get one because I haven't had one in so long. And even though it has sugar in it, hey, a little sugar won't hurt just some of the time. And some more roses bag. These were really a really good buy. So this will be cute in a bag by itself, or if I wanted to do like a cup thing, I could take it out and just put some things and layer it in the cup and design it that way. So I got a few different varieties. That's Yes Mercy. This one is Loving You. They all smell different. This is Diva. This is Soft Cloud. They come in different scents and different mists. This is called Desire. Here goes another body mist, shimmery body mist. This is nice, and this is Soft Cloud, so this kind of matches with that. That goes in a set together. And so then I have Red Love. So I did get one of those. So I have quite a few, and I did get Red Love again because it goes well in a set. This I did get some Apple Cinnamon Hand and Body Lotion. And this was on clearance as well because, it's holiday. You see the candy canes. So it was $1.99 minus the 70%. So you do the math there. And then this is the Yes Mercy shimmery body mist that goes with this. So this would make a nice, cute, little inexpensive gift. Again, I want to have something for all price points. And I want to have something for little girls, so that their dads can get them something really cute, some kind of body mist and body sprays with little girls are into, makeup and perfume and all the things that, I was into as a little girl, just being feminine. And so that one said Love, by the way. You saw it said Love Angels, and it's another Yes Mercy. So I tried to get at least two of each as I saw them, but, I could only get what I could get and what they had, by the way. And so I did get some gift boxes. These were gift boxes, and these rang up, I don't know, 29 cents or 50 cents or something like that. So I did get two of them. Why? Because I can cut them up into pieces and stand them up in the basket so that things won't fall over, like if I needed a backing for this. And that's why I did get the gift baskets, the gift boxes. So what else? I think that was it as far as roses go. So that was it. But when I was in roses, remember I was in Dollar General. So and then I plan to do another video. So that was it as far as roses and Dollar General went. I just wanted to give you a quick overview of what I did get. So the next thing I'm going to do is when I went into Family Dollar, I'm going to show you what I got out of Family Dollar, what I did get out of a Walmart, and then that would be it. I mean, that's enough. I did go back into, I did get the other Walmart, but I think it's a Dollar Tree that I do owe you as well. So therefore, that is it. So that's everything that I did get. Like, share, subscribe. I will see you on the next video. I just wanted to show you everything that I got, as I was walking around the store, and you saw my receipt and everything. So I just wanted to show you everything that I did get. So that's it as far as what I got from Roses, because I needed to unbag these so that I can start designing my baskets and my gift mugs and things like that. All right. So again, like, share, and subscribe. If you're not, give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you're doing baskets. Are you out there watching me? Are you going to do baskets? Did this motivate you to do some baskets or think about it? Have you done them? What are some of your designing ideas? And then share this as some ideas for other people. I mean, because we all learn, like I learned from other YouTubers, I learned from other basket makers. So, you know, I get inspiration for it. All right. So again, thank you so much for watching. Take care and be well. Bye-bye.